Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are making the Elisa Bralette. In the previous video we made this bralette using a cotton jersey and plushback elastic. And today we are sewing the original lace version with Picot elastic underbust. Before we start, if you like sewing tutorials like this one, feel free to like, subscribe, comment or share this video. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump right in. For this style you will need 1 meter by 40 centimeters of lining fabric. I am using cotton jersey. Then 2 or 2.5 meters of stretch lace, depending on the size you are making. 1 meter of strap elastic. 1 meter of fold over elastic. 1 meter of picot or decorative elastic. 1 classic bra closure. And 4 rings plus 2 sliders. We can start with cutting the lining pieces. So take your outer cup, inner cup and the back piece. And I will have double layered fabric, so I will cut 2 mirrored pieces in one step. And cut 2 outer cups, 2 inner cups and 2 back pieces. And then we also need to cut all pieces from the lace. So take your upper cup and place it along the decorative edge of the lace. Then cut 1. Take this piece, flip it on the other side of the lace and cut the second piece mirrored. Then cut 2 outer cups. Two inner cups. And 2 back pieces. Now we can pin the pieces together before sewing on machine. Place the outer cups right side up and then the inner cups right side on it. And pin or baste the cup seam or both of them. And do the same also with the lining pieces. Right sides together and pin or baste the cup seam. and sew the cup seams using a serger or a zigzag stitch. Then take the upper lace cup and place it wrong side facing the right side of the lining cup. And pin and baste them together. Then remove the pins and place the main or lace cup right side down, so it's facing the right side of the lace and also the right side of the lining. And pin or baste all 3 layers together. And do the same also with the second cup. So it's right side, wrong side together, and place the lace cup right side down on it. Now we can sew all 3 layers together. Remove the basting stitches. Then turn the cups to the right side. And pin and baste both layers, the main and the lining one, together. And do the same also with the second cup. So this is how the bra front will look like. Now place the cups right sides together and pin or baste the center front seam. So when you have the decorative lace edge, it's this seam. and sew the center front seam. Then turn the bra to wrong or the lining side. Oh, we can remove the basting stitches from here. Okay. And place the back pieces right side facing the right side of the lining pieces. And pin or baste them in place. Then turn the bra to the right side or the lace side and do the same also with the lace back pieces. So I'm just using the pins from the lining side. And sew both side seams. Then pin and baste both back layers together. And do the same also on the other side. Now take your fold over elastic, decorative elastic, and let's move to regular sewing machine. First we have to lock or backstitch the front center seam. You can use a straight stitch. Now set your machine to zigzag or 3-step zigzag stitch and finish both underarms with fold over elastic. You can gently stretch the elastic while sewing. Don't forget to leave the fowy tails on the top edge. Now we can remove the basting stitches just from the underarm area. Then trim the seam allowance. Fold the fold over elastic and stitch the underarms again. Then take the decorative elastic and place it right side facing the right side of your bra. The decorative edge should be facing into the bra. And sew along the bra bottom edge. You can gently stretch the elastic as you sew. Try to sew as close to the decorative edge as you can. Now we can remove the basting stitches. And trim the seam allowance. And I am not folding the elastic yet. Now take your strap loops. You can find the length in the pattern info. And the strap placement or the strap loops placement is right here on the back pattern piece. Then slide the strap loop through the ring. Place the strap loop onto the mark. And now fold the decorative elastic to the wrong side. At this point we can baste these layers together, and I don't have my basting thread. Okay. So we can baste the strap loop in a place. And baste the other one the same way. Mark the strap loop place. Fold the decorative elastic to the wrong side. Now we can stitch the bottom edge again. Now we can baste and sew the rings, bra closure, thread the straps, secure the strap loops, and we are done. And our Elisa bra is done and ready to wear. Feel free to tell me in the comments below if you like more this style or the previous one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Oh, and the try-on is coming right now.